Megan. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. In today's video, I'm going to be trying a lot of new makeup. I don't know if it's quarantine or if it's just my shopaholic tendencies, but I recently really wanted to try everything from Glossier. Never tried anything from Glossier before, but I've heard so much about it and so many good things. So I figured I should try it for myself since I have nothing else to do right now. I'm not one to try new makeup. I think I've had the same makeup routine for like 2 years now. Typically, I only buy new makeup when I'm like out of a product, then I just replace it. So I literally never try new things. I think Glossier caught my eye because it's just so aesthetically pleasing to look at. That sounds like such a stupid reason to buy makeup, but we did it. I tried to get like pretty much a full face of makeup with the exception of foundation and concealer. But I just felt like it was gonna be really hard for me to find the shade that would match my skin. I don't think you can return things right now. Even if you can, I don't really want to do that and like put people at risk when I'm like aimlessly trying new makeup. I kind of just had a feeling it would be a waste of money and product, so I decided to just not do foundation and concealer. So I got a sample of their priming moisturizer, got the cloud paint, of course, boy brow, lid star, pro tip liner, lash lick, and lip gloss. I feel like it's a pretty good amount to kind of like test everything and see what they have to offer. Like I said, I feel like I have not changed up my makeup routine in forever, so I feel like this is a fun little quarantine activity. Let's go ahead and get started with everything. First off, we are trying the priming moisturizer. I think every order from them comes with a free sample, which is really nice. After cleansing, massage dollops of the cream into your face. Add additional layers to prime skin to desired effect for makeup and or light. Probably should put my hair up for this, but I'm not gonna. I don't really know how much a dollop is, so we're gonna try this. I'm definitely gonna need more. Also, disclaimer, I'm not a makeup expert by any means, so if you guys see me applying things incorrectly or I sound like I don't know what I'm talking about when it comes to makeup, you'd be correct. Okay, so as I'm applying this, it doesn't feel like anything super special. It just feels like moisturizer. I don't know if it's supposed to be a moisturizer and a primer in one, or if it's just a moisturizer you're supposed to use with the primer. If it's supposed to be a primer, I don't know if I love it. I will say it feels a tad bit greasy on my skin. For the most part, it just feels like a moisturizer. It's nothing bad, nothing special, just a moisturizer. But anyways, my next step in my makeup routine would be to apply foundation and concealer. So I'm gonna go do that and then I'll pop back in and we will start doing the rest. Okay, foundation, concealer, and bronzer is on my face. It also looks like I have no lips. We're gonna ignore that. I think I'm gonna do, did I do brow? No. I'm gonna do blush next. So this is the cloud paint. I've heard so much about this stuff. Like this and boy brow is the product I've heard the most about. Got this in the shade Puff. It's like a bubblegum looking pink. I was torn between this and another shade and I can't remember what it was called. I'll put it on the screen right here. The blush that I use right now is the Milk Makeup blush stick in the shade Rally. The stick looks really dark, but it comes out like the perfect color on my skin. There's a color that almost looked just like that, but I didn't know if it was gonna be too dark. So I went with this. So I've never used a blush like this before. I don't know how much to use. I'm gonna start with a little bit because I can always build it, but I think that you just plop it on. It's very natural, I think. I can't really tell actually because I'm using my viewfinder as a mirror. It definitely makes you just look a little bit like more flushed. I actually really like this. And I like the way that it blends. It blends so easy. That's the thing that I don't like about the Milk Makeup blush stick is that you have to like very aggressively use a beauty blender. I love how easy this just went on my skin. Like I said, I can't completely tell if this is blended or not because I'm using the baby mirror. I also use like a matte foundation because I have fairly oily skin, but I love that like natural like glowy makeup look. I think this kind of does what I've been looking for. I'm a fan. Okay, cool. I'm gonna give this a thumbs up. Actually, should I do a thumbs up or should I rate out of 10? I don't know. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. Yeah, I think it looks really cute. So next, I think I'm gonna use the Lid Star. I think it's like a cream eyeshadow maybe. Oh, cool. It looks like a test tube. So I got this in the shade Moon. It's like a very similar shade to like the base eyeshadow that I normally use. So I figured this would be a good one to try out. It's like a shimmery like champagne color. It looks like a lip gloss to me. I'm assuming you just swipe it on and then just like blend it with your fingers. So we're gonna try that. Okay. One thing I will say is like, I don't know how much product is like coming off on this brush. Like I feel like it feels like I'm just rubbing a dry lip gloss applicator on my eyelid. I can't tell if it's like a natural look or if it looks like it's just not there at all. It's definitely very, very, very subtle. There's not a lot going on right there. So this is the eye with it and this is the eye without it. You can tell that I have product on this eye, but it's not like a crazy difference between this eye and this eye. I don't know, I don't love this. I enjoy a subtle makeup look, but I think this is like so subtle that you can't really even tell that it's there. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of like this is low-key a waste of money because it doesn't really do anything. I think I'm honestly gonna give this like a 2 out of 10. I like the concept. I think this color was so pretty. I just really wish it was a little bit more pigmented. So yeah, I think I'm gonna give this a 2. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna try is the Pro Tip liquid liner. I am very picky with my liquid liner. Nothing is more frustrating than trying to put on your liquid eyeliner and just have it like look like a dry, patchy mess. I love when it just like, goes on clean and smooth and it's easy because I feel like liquid eyeliner is always slightly stressful. I always like this type of liquid liner that's like a felt tip. I don't like the ones, I guess they're all kind of like a felt tip. I don't like the ones that you feel like you have to like paint on. My camera ran out of storage, but we're back. But yeah, I think I'm gonna like this. This looks like the type of liner that I normally really like. Okay, I love this. It works so well. It's actually like a really tiny tip, so it's really easy to make like a precise line and it doesn't look super thick and like chunky on your eyelid. Okay, so yeah, this works great. I think I'm actually gonna give this liner a 10 out of 10. I didn't even realize how fine of a tip it was until I started applying it. That was the easiest I've ever applied liquid liner. I would definitely recommend this. 10 out of 10, would recommend. So next I'm gonna try their Lash Slick, which I think is just mascara. Right now I use the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit and I love it. This might be a little hard to beat because I love that mascara. I will say I love the packaging on all of this stuff. It's so cute. I really like the color and how minimal it is. I think it's gonna look really cute in my makeup bag. Right off the bat, I'm noticing this does a really good job at like separating your lashes and like not getting clumpy. It's also making them look really long like right away. Just like the best way I could describe this is like fluttery and airy. I think, I don't know if that makes any sense. I feel like I'm like cheating on my favorite mascara ever, but this might be beating it. I'm like really impressed by the before and after of this mascara. Okay, so both eyes are done. I think the only negative thing maybe I could say about it is that it takes quite a few coats to like get it to where I want it to be. But once I get it there, it looks super nice. I'm gonna give this mascara a 8.5 out of 10. Okay, so next up, I'm using the Iconic Boy Brow. So I got this in the shade Blonde because I'm blonde. I actually don't use any product at all. I feel like naturally I have pretty full brows. Really all I have to do to them is brush them through with a spoolie and I'm kind of good to go. I used the Anastasia brow pencil or Brow Wiz or whatever it was in like 2017. But then sometimes I look back on pictures and my eyebrows were just so dark. I think I had the lightest shade of that one too. Made them look a little bit too defined. I don't know. It looked a little odd on my face now that I look at pictures. I don't know if I'll like this or not. I also just like don't have anything to really compare it to. Although I did do my brows like 3 years ago, I had no idea what the hell I was doing. I'm gonna insert a picture right here when I went to go surprise Caroline. My makeup was god awful. Like it looked so terrible. It made me look like I was 40 years old. Like it was just not a look. So anyways, we're gonna try this. It looks pretty dark. I don't know. We're just gonna go for it. I'm assuming I just brush it through. Okay, so this is what it looks like with product and this is my brow without product. It's not a huge difference. Like I said, I already have pretty naturally full brows, so I wasn't expecting like a huge change. This side is definitely darker. I think they had a clear version of this and I probably should have just gotten clear. The main reason I would have used this is to like kind of shape my brows. Oh, shoot. Just pressed down really hard and made like a really harsh line on this eyebrow. That was stupid. It looks really dark. Oh God, okay. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go try and, hold on. Okay, so I took it off my brows because I could not fix it. I also got a cookie. I don't know if I'm the only one. Actually, I know for sure I'm not the only one because I've seen so many people making banana bread. I have been cooking nonstop, specifically baking nonstop in quarantine. I also think I've mastered the best homemade chocolate chip cookie recipe. And in this batch, I used almond flour instead of regular flour. So they're better for you and they're so good. Anyways, it was making my brows just look like a little bit too intense for my liking. And I don't think it's because it's like a bad product at all. It's definitely just like I got the wrong shade. I had no idea how to apply it or like how much to put on or that kind of thing. I still think it's the product for me. I actually think I would have liked the clear one a lot. Like the way that it was shaping my brows, I really liked that part of it. But I feel like I can't like fairly judge it because it was just like not the shade for me. But I do feel like there's a lot of people that like love it so much that it can't be a bad product. Last thing we're gonna be trying is their lip gloss. It looks like this. Ignore my quarantine nails. They're not a good look. I've heard great things about this. I think this picture back here is actually an ad for this lip gloss. Okay, so this is the lip gloss. God, I cannot talk. Once I like am almost at the end of filming, I swear I literally lose the ability to talk. What I was saying was I really like this lip gloss. I love how glossy it looks. I just like that look. I don't know. I also really like that it's kind of sticky and like the way that you know it's not gonna rub off right away. Like I just ate a cookie and it still looks like this. Yes, I ate another cookie. But it doesn't feel so sticky and like tacky that it's kind of gross. It just feels like you know it's gonna stay on your lips, which obviously is a good thing. This would be a game changer if they had it in like a lip plumping one. I feel like all of the lip plumping lip glosses that I use, like they work obviously to like plump up your lips, but then they don't stay on as like lip gloss all day. If they had this formula with the plumping stuff in it, it would be a game changer. But I think I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. But now I kind of want to order more colors of it. I'll update you guys if I end up ordering the other two. So with the lip gloss being done, this is what my makeup looks like using almost all Glossier products, with the exception obviously of my foundation and concealer. But I think it looks really good. It's very natural to me and like very glowy and like an effortless makeup look. I think I definitely will be incorporating the lip gloss, mascara, blush, and liner in my like everyday makeup routine. It's definitely gonna become a part of it. I think my favorite thing was probably the liner because it was so easy to put on. And then a close second was the cloud paint, I think. If you guys have been wanting to try out Glossier, I definitely would recommend trying some stuff out. I will definitely order from them again. Like I said, I kind of want to try some other shades in the lip gloss, and now that I'm thinking about it, I kind of want to try some more shades in the cloud paint as well. But yeah, that is the video. I hope that you guys liked it. Comment down below if you guys have ever tried Glossier and what your favorite products from them are. Also comment down below if you guys have any recommendations of like other stuff that I should try from them if I wanted to do like a part 2. As always, don't forget to follow me on all of my other social medias. I will have them linked down below if you guys want to go and check them out. Speaking of linked down below, I'll have all of these products linked down below if you guys want to go and check them out. But yeah, I think that is everything. So thank you guys so much again for watching. I love you to the moon and back. And I will see you all next week with another new video. Bye!